Hey guys, are you looking folding electric bike? In this video I will show you top 5 best folding electric bike to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Brand name, Dece Oasis, model number, A20F. A20F has a flying top speed and a futuristic design. Whether you want to explore what's beyond your city or just a reliable daily hauler, this powerful electric bike is what you need. 500-watt motor with G-drive control system. A20F provides the cross-country motor riding experience. Cross the hill, mud road, forest, enjoy your life. 20x4.0 low rolling resistance tires can meet your commuting and leisure needs. Aluminum alloy frame and ergonomically designed saddle offer a durable and comfortable user experience. The seat post, stem and handlebar can be adjusted to your satisfactory height and angle. 7-speed transmission system. Just rotate the gear shifter on the right side of the handlebar, you can exert less effort on different road conditions of the cities. Sensitive gear switch control and greater terrain adaptability ensure a quick and precise response. Number 4. Brand name, Bezior, model number, X+. Bezior X+ is forged by lightweight aluminum alloy frame, front and rear double oil spring suspension structure. It features a LCD meter to display riding data, aluminum alloy frame for extreme durability, adjustable seat height for different user height. With 4-inch wide fat tires and oil spring suspension fork, the e-bike can run smoothly on a variety of terrains. Its collapsible design makes it convenient for storage and carrying, great choice for commuting, short trip, shopping and daily use. 1500-watt brushless motor is light in weight. Its internal use of star gear design can amplify torque and improve energy efficiency conversion rate. Soft tail rear oil spring suspension enhances the shock resistance, provide excellent performance. Number 3. Brand name, Ancheer, model number, an EB003. This folding e-bike ultra lightweight yet strong aluminum for quick folding and easy storage, double shock absorption. Mechanical front and rear disc brake design and 21-speed professional transmission system. This bike adopts ultra lightweight yet strong aluminum. 26-inch magnesium alloy integrated wheels with anti-slip resistant thick tire suit for trails, gravel, city streets, back roads, increases hill climbing power, further range variation and greater terrain adaptability. The battery is super secure while riding and easy to remove. It can be charged at any household outlet on or off the bike. Double hand brakes ensure your safety, thick and durable tires, 7-speed control, double shock absorption. It can even be folded so you can easily put it in the trunk of your car. It is easier to use than ordinary folding, and the folding installation speed is fast and the whole process takes only 3 steps. The powerful 36-volt 350-watt motor provides the best performance under pneumatic tires. Adapting to more bumps, no pressure 25 degrees climb. The battery pack is the core of the electric bicycle. It uses an advanced 8 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery pack. Excellent battery life, is not afraid of high load and durability. With LED headlight suitable for safe cycling at night, 7-speed shifter, good operation, feel responsive. With the LED 3-speed smart meter button, you can choose the electric assist power according to your needs. You can add a burst of speed with the throttle, which is ideal for pulling away from traffic lights. The style design of solitary style, breaking through the design of ordinary bicycles, at the same time taking into account the structure of the human body. Stylish and colorful, it is suitable for young people and looks more energetic. Number 2. Brand name, ZPAO, model number, ZPHF 1000, the e-bike with 1000 watt high-speed brushless gear motors and 48-volt intelligent brushless controller. It can easily assist you to travel at top speed of 25 miles per hour. The aluminum alloy frame has the advantages of lightweight, good flexibility, and good resistance to moisture oxidation. It is currently the mainstream material for bicycle frames. Hidden aluminum alloy waterproof lithium battery compartment with anti-theft allows you to ride safely. Adopting collapsible middle stem and removable battery, you can charge the battery in the frame or remove it easily. Tire cushioning pressure and relatively shock-resistant ability are very good, not easy to fatigue. Handlebars can be extended freely even on steep slopes, so it is more suitable for mountain biking and off-road travel. Front and rear Tektro disc brake system effectively reducing the braking distance. Ergonomic saddle makes the seat more comfortable and reduces the pressure of sitting for a long time. The adjustable handlebar height guarantees the riding needs of people of 165 to 190 cm different heights. Shimano 21 speed tray with shift. It has outstanding achievements in shifting performance, feel and response speed, and it is also a professional shifting kit that must be used in many professional racing competitions. Number 1. Brand name, Deepower, model number, H20 Pro. The e-bike with 1000 watt high-speed brushless gear motors and 48-volt intelligent brushless controller. It can easily assist you to travel at top speed of 35 miles per hour. Hidden aluminum alloy waterproof lithium battery compartment with anti-theft allows you to ride safely. The front fork suspension system effectively reduces disruption and responds to various road conditions. Front and rear disc brake system effectively reducing the braking distance. Super bright headlights see everything clearly within 2 meters in the dark. Ride more safely. Seat post, which is easy to deal with bumpy road. It also can provide a good dampening effect with comfortable saddle, and the shock absorber seat post with front fork and double shock absorbers can upgrade the comfortable riding experience.